All right, today is July 13th, and we're just going to see what's going on in the garden. So, recently my cucumbers have been exploding like crazy. Well, not really producing a lot of cucumbers, but the plant's just growing like crazy. It's got a bunch of flowers. Um, yeah, so it's looking pretty healthy. And I just fertilized it yesterday too. Here's one. And then if we look over here, this is a Chinese cucumber here, the Suyo Long cucumber. And we got one growing right there. And this thing's gonna be like 15 inches long probably. They get huge, and actually probably want to trellis it up higher. Build a different trellis over here, so because it'll just like hang down. That's how they keep their shape. Over here we got some grapes. Bunch of grapes in there. It's still a young grape plant. So let's look over here. We got beans. These are beans I saved from seed. They're the dragon's tongue bean, so they look kind of cool. Check it out. Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? So I saved those from seed last year, replanted them, and they grew. I got a whole bunch of them here. And I actually just planted more of them a few days ago, and they just started popping up. So all over here, these are all beans as well. And just in the last day or two, they started popping up. And then in another 3 weeks, I'll plant probably some more over here so I can keep them going. I'm still waiting on the watermelon to pop up here. Nothing yet. It's probably too late for that anyway, but I'm just gonna try it. I planted 6 or 7 days ago, I planted a zucchini, and we got it right here. So that's good. Let's see, what else? The zucchini over here is looking a little weird. I fertilized it, but it's kind of like droopy looking now. So I don't know what I did. I got one little one growing, like right there. You can see it. Another plant over here. Also not looking very good. Oh, here's a tomato that I'm growing. I got a couple of those bigger tomatoes. It's a black Krim tomato. And then I have these ones here. It's kind of like a sun gold type. So those are doing okay. There's Kona. Hi. Come on, let's go. And then I just have whatever's on the patio over here. These plants here, which are really growing pretty well. They're looking honestly perfect. Like the tomato plant is looking great. Really couldn't look better. I got a pepper plant that I saved the seeds last year and planted them this year. And then here's my little sun gold. The last seed I had, the last sun gold I found in the packet. I'm hoping it grows. It's doing well so far. So, all right, that's all for today. Have a good one.